Trey and his dad traded the Jeep back and forth over the last few decades, and at one point while his dad had it, he sprayed it with this bed liner. So it's really durable, but it gets this oxidized white look to it. So we found a product that we can put on once a year, and it really helps freshen it up. We're just doing a touch-up application today. The first time we used the product, the Jeep had a lot of the white oxidation on it. So I think just doing it once a year really has kept it in good shape. The Jeep lives inside, so if your rig lived outside, you'd probably have to do it more often. This is it. It's the Forever Black Bed Liner Gel. Really easy to apply. You use a sponge. I'll show you how we do it. We use a rag around edges, and it just keeps the excess from pooling up. I have these really small foam brushes to get the hard to reach areas. I do wear gloves when I use that product. If you do get it on your skin though, it comes off pretty easily with soap and water. And here's the finished product. It looks pretty good. Obviously you can use this on your actual bed liner. Not everyone has a completely bed lined truck. But I hope you found this informative. This is the product here if you'd like to check it out, and I've got the link down below. I'll also include the link for this smaller package if you're just doing accessory pieces or one coating on your bed. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.